In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat or conversation on Janitor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the deletion so your chat list stays tidy and organized. Start by opening your preferred web browser. If it's easiest, head to Google first. In the search bar, type Janitor AI, then look for the official result that leads to janitori.com. Click that to open the site. Going through Google is a simple way to avoid typos and make sure you land on the correct page quickly. Once you're on the Janitor AI website, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon or avatar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use multiple logins. Click your profile to open the account menu. From that menu, select My Chats. This is the central hub where all your conversations are grouped, and it's the place you'll use to manage and delete any chat threads you no longer need. Inside My Chats, you'll see a list of characters you've interacted with. Choose the character whose conversation you want to delete. Selecting a character helps filter the view so you're only looking at the chats related to that one character, which makes finding the right thread much faster. After you've selected the character, look below for the conversation list. If you have many entries, scroll through carefully and check the titles or timestamps to make sure you're targeting the correct chat. When you've located the conversation you want to remove, look for the delete icon, typically shown as a small trash bin next to that chat entry. On some screens, the icon may appear when you hover your mouse over the conversation. Click the trash bin to start the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify your choice. This step exists to prevent accidental loss of messages. If you're certain you've selected the right conversation, click Yes to confirm. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent and can't be undone, so take a moment to double-check before you proceed. After confirming, the chat should disappear from your list. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to update the view. You can repeat the same steps to remove other conversations. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and keep your chat space clutter-free by revisiting these steps whenever you need a reset.